Hi again. Well, we're here back at Micro Center, and it's the day before the sale of the 5090 GPUs. So let's see if we have people out here waiting. And I tell you, looks like I do. So let's go ahead and let's see what we can see here. Okay, well, we see here we have a line waiting. It's not a very long line yet, with maybe about 12 or 15 people on it, but it is something, right? And this, as I said, it's about almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the day before the actual GPUs go on sale. So that's pretty interesting, huh? Well, let's see if there's anybody here who wants to talk about it. I'll start at the front of the line. Hi, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
You're first on the line here, huh?
Yeah, well, me and my son.
Yeah, you and your son? Okay.
Yeah, we came here Monday night, and there was no one here yet. So I talked him into leaving and coming the next morning. So Tuesday morning we came.
Monday night? Oh my gosh.
There was no one here at Monday. So, yeah, my son, once we came back on Tuesday, he was staying. That was it.
Is there a particular partner card you're interested in?
Well, I know he wanted the Founders Edition, but they don't have that.
They don't have that here normally.
So
No.
it's
They've had it in the past, but it's rare.
Yeah.
So I don't know what's going on the list.
I don't know yet. We'll see when when they comes in. So it depends what comes in, you know?
Yep.
All right.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Hi there. How's everybody doing? Anybody want to talk on camera?
Sure. I guess you're going to be asking me questions, I guess?
Yeah, well, I'll just, let's see, what are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 online at this point?
Yeah.
What kind of card are you looking to get tomorrow? 5090?
Yeah, I'm looking to get the 5090, but depending on the stock, I probably want to walk away with something. So maybe I'll just get settle with the 5080 for now, maybe upgrade later on.
Yeah, I think that comes tomorrow, isn't it?
They said they're going to have 5090s and 5080s.
Today?
So,
oh, okay.
Well,
okay.
yeah, for the launch. So they're not doing like 5070s or anything right now. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, this is my brother. So we've been out here since, what was it, like 6 p.m. yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've been like out here overnight, you know.
Yeah, I've done it. I've done it
like
in the past for the 3000 series, so I know what that's like.
You know, so we're out here just like, enjoying the scene, enjoying it, bonding with my brother, just having a good time, really.
Any particular partner card if you have to buy one of those?
Honestly, like, because they're all 5090s, or what I'm looking for, I'm probably more focused on the actual price than the actual partner card itself. So like, yeah, just because but I'll be honest, whatever they have available, really, I'll be happy with. Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe they leaked some prices, but they're range from like, little above MSRP, but they go like Asus goes.
So what do you plan on using it for?
To be honest, like really just personal use, really. So
like gaming?
Yeah, probably gaming.
Creation, anything?
Not really, just really like gaming. Just like trying to keep up with the new technology. So I want to play everything at max, see how everything looks on a good frame rate.
Okay,
so that's really it. Just mainly personal, nothing commercial or anything.
Well, thank you so much for spending the time.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
How are you doing today? Would you like to talk or?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, though. I appreciate it.
Want to talk? Okay, good. Anybody else here want to talk on the camera for YouTube? Oh. Anybody here want to talk on camera for YouTube?
Thank you, though. Hi, Mom.
You want to say hi, Mom?
No, it's okay. She's not watching.
You want to talk? You're good? Okay. Well, anyway, what do we got online now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What, about 15 people, right? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Hopefully they have 15 cards.
They usually have that many, from my experience.